Xiaomi launches Mi Car Charger Pro at Rs. 799 in India. Xiaomi appears to be refreshing its mobile accessories lineup in India at the moment. It brought the Mi wireless power bank to India earlier this week and is now following it up with a new fast-charging supported Mi Car Charger Pro. The new Mi Car Charger Pro brings a myriad of upgrades over the basic car charger that the company launched back in 2018. Mi Car Charger Pro, specs and features. Starting off with the design, Mi Car Charger Pro features a more premium metal build as opposed to the plastic construction of its basic car charger. While the design is still pretty much the same, Xiaomi is now using brass to improve heat dissipation. Another welcome change in the Pro variant is that both the USB output ports on the front now come with 18W fast charging support. The basic variant only had a single fast charging outlet. This means you can now conveniently plug in your phone into any USB outlet to fast charge while traveling. As Xiaomi has mentioned, Mi Car Charger Pro comes with a dual-port intelligent distribution feature that intelligently distributes power when both ports are in use. Mi Car Charger Pro is capable of outputting 18W 9 volts 2A or 12 volts 1.50 from a single port, but the output drops to 12W 5 volts 2.40 when ports are in use. The company has replaced the blue indicator on the basic variant with a moonlight white LED indicator to add to the aesthetics of the Pro variant. There's a smart IC chip baked into this Pro car charger to offer protection against overcurrent, short circuit, overvoltage, overheating, and more. Price and availability. Mi Car Charger Pro has been launched at Rs. 799 in India and is currently up for sale on Xiaomi's official website. So, if you have been looking for a fast car charger, then Xiaomi has got you covered, that too at a pretty affordable price.